Hello everyone, today we are going to learn anticlimax in this lecture, but if you are new to my channel then please like and subscribe my channel. Without wasting your time, let's move and learn it. A statement in which there is a sudden fall from the serious to the trivial or from sublime to the ridiculous. What does it mean? Simply, it means that anticlimax is nothing but it is a figure of speech in which an important statement suddenly ends with unimportant or ridiculous way. You should also not be confused because it is also called bathos. In other words, you can say that when you start a sentence in serious way or in important way but end it in a ridiculous or unimportant way, so this practice is called anticlimax. Basically, when someone starts a sentence in a serious or important way then everybody expects the conclusion also in a serious or important way, but if it is ended in trivial manner so it is known as anticlimax. I think you are not getting the point. So, don't worry, just look at these examples. After years of searching for the lost treasure, all I found was a rusty spoon. This is very outstanding example of anticlimax because the years of searching build up the expectation of a grand discovery, but the reality, a rusty spoon, is underwhelming. Basically, when we just reading this statement at the beginning we get the idea that something valuable will be found, but when we come to the last point, it ends in a very trivial manner. So you can see this statement begins with a serious manner but finishes in unexpected way, so this is the example of anticlimax. There are many examples like this. The villain revealed their evil plan, to steal all the cookies from the bakery. This is another example of anticlimax because at the beginning it seems to us that the villain will do something harmful and dangerous, but at the end the idea ends with trivial act of stealing cookies. Basically, the villain's build-up suggests a grand scheme, but stealing cookies is a rather petty goal. So, this is also the example of anticlimax. The hero finally found the buried treasure, and it was just a box full of old socks. Here in this example the buried treasure suggests riches. But a box of old socks is a disappointing discovery. So, again the sentence starts in a serious manner but ends in a trivial way. So this is another example of anticlimax. I hope you have enjoyed this lecture, but please don't forget like and subscription to my channel. Thank you.